The BOYI GMK67 Keyboard Kit offers a premium typing experience with its all-aluminum alloy construction and gasket-mounted design, reducing vibrations and enhancing sound quality. With hot-swappable mechanical switch compatibility, this kit allows users to easily customize their keyboard without the need for soldering, supporting a wide range of switch types. Its triple-mode wireless connection, including Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4G, and wired Type-C, provides versatile connectivity options suitable for multiple devices. The keyboard features customizable RGB lighting with over 16.8 million color options, allowing for a personalized gaming or working environment. Designed for DIY enthusiasts, the BOYI GMK67 enables users to create a unique mechanical keyboard tailored to their preferences in terms of aesthetics and functionality. The inclusion of a multifunction knob adds convenience, offering easy control over multimedia functions and contributing to the keyboard's ergonomic design.